The best candidate can be sitting in your pipeline right now, and an exact keyword match still pushes them out while recruiters drown in resumes that were never a fit to begin with.
This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.
Business Compass set out to add an AI support layer to hiring, one that helps match roles to people and people to roles all the way through the recruitment workflow. The payoff is simpler and more practical. Recruiters screen faster, recommendations fit better, and the whole experience feels smoother for hiring teams and job seekers alike. What changes with Retrieval-Augmented Generation is that the system reads for intent. It can recognize the skills a candidate actually brings, even when their resume doesn't use the exact words in the job description. That semantic layer also pulls up transferable experience and niche industry language that old keyword filters usually miss, so strong candidates stop disappearing just because they phrase things differently. And once autonomous AI agents join the workflow, they don't just search. They pre-screen, match people to openings, and send the right notifications automatically. So momentum doesn't stall between steps. Everything starts with secure intake. Job postings and resumes are collected in Amazon S3, so the pipeline has one reliable place to pull from. From there, each document is passed into usable text, broken into smaller chunks, and tagged with metadata, so the embeddings capture context, not just raw words. Those vectors are stored in Amazon OpenSearch serverless, and as new resumes or job posts arrive, synchronization keeps the index fresh so search results stay current. Candidates can ask in plain language what kind of role fits their background, and the system answers with suggestions shaped to their skills and experience. For recruiters, that same shift means no more stitching together brittle filters. They can search semantically and uncover people who match the intent of the role, not just the exact wording. Because the responses understand context, retrieval feels faster, simpler, and much more precise from the very first query. Centralized prompt management gives every recruiting team the same playbook, so workflows stay aligned and the output doesn't drift from one team or region to the next. Just as important, guardrails keep personal data protected, catch risky or made-up responses early, and make sure every interaction stays inside approved hiring policies. And when the decision really matters, a person still reviews the recommendation. So AI speeds up the process without becoming the final voice in who gets hired. For employers, the agent can surface a clear candidate summary, explain why someone fits the role, and even recommend who should move to interview next. For job seekers, that same system works in real time, sending job match alerts as openings appear and highlighting the skill gaps they could close to become a stronger fit. So instead of waiting for someone to run another search, the workflow keeps watching, reacting, and reaching out on its own, which turns recruiting into proactive engagement. At the generative layer, Amazon Bedrock does the heavy lifting, giving the solution managed foundation models to interpret recruiter queries and generate grounded responses. Under that, AWS Lambda handles elastic compute, while Amazon S3 and DynamoDB keep documents, application state, and lookup data ready to scale as usage grows. For retrieval, Amazon OpenSearch serverless delivers fast semantic search, and services like Cognito, WAF, CloudWatch, and Secrets Manager keep identity, protection, monitoring, and credentials under control. Access stays tightly scoped because each component gets only the permissions it needs to do its job, and nothing beyond that. That protection continues across the stack, with encryption safeguarding data both when it's stored and while it's moving between services. And if you need to see exactly what happened, CloudTrail records account activity, API calls, and resource changes so teams have a clear audit trail. Using managed serverless services also narrows the attack surface because there are fewer servers, patches, and exposed layers for teams to manage themselves. So the payoff isn't just smarter search, it's better candidate matches, less manual screening work, and a hiring journey that feels faster and easier on both sides. When the right people stop getting filtered out, recruiters spend less to hire well, and candidates are far more likely to stay engaged all the way through.